Yeah. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Show look good.
Yo, chat. I'm out here having a coffee with orange juice. It's something I've been drinking in Thailand since the day I got here 4 years ago. Right now, just chilling, people watching. Wait until they clean the room, chat. You know how it goes. Solo travels, chat. You get the time to sit back and step away from the computer, but I'm still vibe coding in my head. I hope you guys hear me good because I'm not mic'd up, but it should be okay. After this chat, I'm gonna go get some dough and I'm gonna go get some gas. And then tonight I'm planning to do a VR stream. Well, I might do stream 101 a VR stream. And then tonight I can plan and pace a bit, chat. I've got a lot to do, but I don't want to rush it and I want to take these days to relax. Relax in the sense that I'm still working, chat, but I'm not working on the computer producing. I'm working in the brain, chat. The best ideas come when you're away from the computer, chat, to be really honest. Don't get me wrong, Claude is still coding, Codex is still coding. I got them running on full speed. Chat, after when I go to the room, I'll give you guys a room tour. I haven't given a room tour yet. A room tour after, chat. I decided to stay in one spot, chat. It's easier for me, not having to move around and shit. And now I've already got my setup style going and my workflow going. And I'm getting pretty good sleep at the new spot. I'm smoking less, chat, so all plus points to stay. Anyway, chat.
In the moonlight, all these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Should it look good in the moonlight? All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Should it look good in the moonlight? All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Should it look good in the moonlight? All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no Smith and Weston, no. But who you testing? Fuck a scantron, here's your lesson, no. Knifing and testing, taking shots at all your brethren, no. Feel like I'm damaged, you fucking playing it. Call my phone, make me feel right. Don't you know you gon' make it feel right? Call my phone, make me feel right.
I'll give you a room tour. Let me get my shoes off first, chat. So I'll basically just walk you through the house. You're on POV right now. Chat. Little bathroom. Got the tub. Little workspace, chat. Still gonna be fixed. Got my messy luggage here. Clean sheets. Did they clean it up? Nice, chat. Clean sheets, everything clean. Nice, chat. They did a good job today, chat. It's nice and fresh here. All right. Let me get settled in. And I'll see you guys after.
A few moments later.
Yo, chat. It's working time. I'm gonna time-lapse myself while I'm getting some work done. I think that's a good thing to do. I already did a lot of work today, chat. I didn't leave the computer. Let me lock in, chat. I'll probably time-lapse this. This is running the SEO. This one's done. Let me see if I can send it to the client.
Last night I let the party get the best of me. Waking up in the morning, 2 hoes laying next to me. Plus I heard an officer arresting me. Good weed and cold drinks, that's the motherfucking recipe. Nigga, and we roll deep, so deep, it's going deep.
The next day.
Yo, chat, late day in Bangkok. It's beautiful outside, so I'm gonna take a little walk to the supermarket and stuff. Just testing the cam. I'll do some POV shots now, chat, and tonight I'm gonna get some work done. See you in a few. Waiting around for a hamburger, chat.
If you cry, I don't really shouldn't have lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I
chat, welcome back to the crib. Time to get the munchies on. I had a family day today, and tonight I get to prepare for Sunday Funday. I'm gonna watch a show, chat, and you probably will never guess what show, but it's rarely that I watch TV shows, so this is my vacation. This is the ultimate vacation for me, chat. Burger, well done. Some mayonnaise and some French fries, chat. You know the fucking vibes, man. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this chat, then I'm gonna take a rest and I'm gonna prepare for Sunday Funday stream. I got some work to get done, I've got some offers to follow up, and we'll take it from there. Alright, chat, see you in a few. It's time, chat. Heroes. This is what I've been watching, chat, on my holiday, and it's been amazing. Alright, time to smash the burger.
A few moments later.
Oh, chat, welcome back. It's I think 1 a.m, 1:30 a.m. in Bangkok. I'm getting ready to stream, chat. This is the setup for now. The glasses are ready. These are the XR glasses. Keyboard setup, you know the vibes. Got the stream deck. This is the view in Bangkok. Alright, so I'll start my tradition before I stream. My warm-up, chat. And then I'll see you guys in a few on YouTube. Just done that pre-game routine. Let's see. Give me a moment, chat. Gotta plug in the XR glasses because I need my setup to get work done. You know the vibes, chat. Who's doing it? Alright. We should be good.
I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position.
Damn, chat, I just ended the stream. I just looked at the last chat. Shout out to Hunter. But damn, chat, I ordered a pizza on stream, but damn, this is way too big, chat. I over ordered. Let me see if I can show you guys the full pizza. Damn, this is big as hell, chat. How am I gonna eat this? It's crazy. Look at this pizza, chat. Damn, chat, this is big as hell. I should have looked at the size, but I ordered it on stream, so obviously I didn't check the size, but this is crazy. Where's the sauces that they gave me? Didn't they put a bunch of sauces in it? Damn, chat, give me a second. Damn, man, with my gay ass slippers. This is hotel slippers, chat. Damn, chat, that looks fucking good, man. Tell me that doesn't look good, chat. This and Heroes, chat. God, what a life we live. Alright, I'm gonna eat like a beast, chat. Vibe code in life. And Heroes. Gang, gang, I'm out. Yo, chat, smash that pizza. Still watching, Heroes. That shit is good, chat. I think I might continue for another hour in the sofa. You know the vibes, chat. Sometimes we gotta relax. This is the ultimate vacation, chat, for me.
they don't feel like working. Overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Reality's a just less than 24 hours past and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Studying the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore. The ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore if you're content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world on record formally. Yeah, I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it should improve. I had to leave to see what I could do.
The next day.
Yo chat, what's up? Good morning. Just woke up. I think it's about 1 p.m, 2 p.m. in Bangkok. Today I'm gonna stay home and I'm gonna be working all day. Tomorrow I'm going to the zoo chat. So tomorrow a lot more vlog content. But today it's just you and me gonna be working. I'll be recording it from all angles today. I'll probably run it as a time lapse in the next few minutes on this vlog. But look at the view chat. Look at the view, man. Let me show you the high rises chat. Look at the view, man. Tell me that view isn't pretty in the morning. I'm thinking if I should go to the pool chat. Should I go to the pool? Or should I just wait till I get back? Next week I'm gonna get myself, next week I'm gonna go Friday. I'm gonna get my gym subscription chat. And there's a pool included in it, so we'll be having pool time. Alright chat, let's get ready for work. Here's the setup. But that's all good. I'm also gonna get copyrighted music for my channel. I'm gonna pay for it. But I'll update you on that. Alright chat, see you later. Don't forget, peace on the streets, no fighting, and keep vibe coding.